Hola, ¿cómo estás? Welcome back to the touring experience. Mi nombre es Alan, and it's such an honor to be your Spanish teacher. Today, you'll learn the easiest and most effective ways to ask for directions in Spanish. Never underestimate the power of asking for directions. I know that nowadays with apps like Google Maps, things have changed a lot. But sometimes it's easier to ask a local who knows the city and who can recommend good places. It's also a great way to interact with the locals and to practice your Spanish. Before we dive into the questions, let's learn the key words and verbs we'll use most of the time. Disculpar. Disculpe. Disculpa. Saber. Sabe. Sabes. Estar. Recomendar. Cercano. Por aquí. When I approach a stranger, I generally start with something like this. Disculpe. ¿Sabe? Disculpa. ¿Sabes? ¿Dónde está el jardín Cenea? Disculpe, ¿sabe dónde está el jardín Cenea? ¿Dónde está la iglesia de San Francisco? Disculpe, ¿sabe dónde está la iglesia de San Francisco? To know where the nearest bank or restaurant is, we follow the same formula of the previous questions. But since we don't know the name of the place, we replace it with the words más cercano or más cercana. ¿Dónde está el banco más cercano? Disculpe, ¿sabe dónde está el banco más cercano? ¿Dónde está la tienda más cercana? Disculpe, ¿sabe dónde está la tienda más cercana? ¿Cuál es la dirección? ¿Cuál es la dirección? You can also ask people to write things down if you don't understand what they're saying, or just for future reference. ¿Lo puede escribir, por favor? ¿Lo puede escribir, por favor? A great way to discover a place's hidden gems is to ask locals for recommendations. ¿Me puede recomendar algún por aquí? ¿Me puede recomendar algún restaurante por aquí? In our next lesson, you'll learn the key words and phrases you need to know in order to understand the responses to your questions. We'll go into town and ask random people for directions to show you real-life examples. That'll be fun. I hope. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Challenge them to learn with you. And let us know if you have any questions regarding the topic and what you would like to learn next. Don't forget that we have a gift for you to help you get started in Spanish the right way and interact with the locals during your next trip abroad. To download it for free, just click the link in the description below. Our gift for you for being here. And subscribe to our channel for weekly Spanish lessons, travel videos and tips, cultural information, and more. Gracias y hasta la próxima semana.